Most sewing machines for beginners online are overpriced junk built to break after a few projects. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud. Ever wrestle with tension issues and skip stitches while learning? Today, I'm going to be going over the best sewing machine for beginners that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Brother XM2701. Designed for beginners and hobbyists, the Brother XM2701 features 27 built-in stitches and approachable controls. With a lightweight aluminum frame and compact footprint, the Brother XM2701 remains portable for small space sewing setups. Included is a jam-resistant top drop-in bobbin system, which minimizes tangles and keeps stitching consistent during longer projects. Compact accessory bundle includes 6 sewing feet, a 3-piece needle set, a twin needle, and 4 bobbins for expanding project options. Built-in free arm enables seamless garment tasks like sleeves and cuffs, delivering stable support while guiding tubular fabrics around the needle. Brother XM2701 includes at-your-side support with lifetime online help, boosting confidence through the learning curve. This model is intended for sale only in the United States at 120 volts, with warranty validity tied to that condition. Real-world testing demonstrates the Brother XM2701 delivering smooth stitch quality across a range of fabrics. Compared with the Brother C60000, the XM2701 offers more stitches and simpler bobbin loading. The pros include easy threading, versatile stitch library, and lifetime support. The cons include US-only sales and voltage requirements. Real-world testing reveals easy setup, quiet operation, and consistent stitch quality across a range of fabrics from cotton to denim. User-friendly controls and a clear instructional manual simplify learning curves, while the included 6 feet and twin needle support experimentation. Overall, the Brother XM2701 remains a strong beginner-friendly choice, delivering value through features, support, and portability. At number 4, we have the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine. For beginners stepping into home sewing, this compact machine feels approachable, portable, and ready to tackle simple mending and craft projects. The casing feels sturdy and lightweight with a smooth white finish and compact footprint designed to sit quietly on a small workspace. Its modest dimensions measure under 9 inches tall and under 8 inches wide, making it easy to store beside a sewing kit. The design includes an extension table that stabilizes larger seams and provides extra support during projects like hems or quilts. With a dual-speed control, users can switch between slow stitches for delicate fabrics and faster runs for quick repairs without tension issues. Power options include both AC and battery operation, offering wireless use, which is ideal for temporary setups, classrooms, or outdoor crafting sessions. A clearly marked threading direction helps beginners avoid misrouted threads, while the kit supplies numerous needles and bobbins for confident practice. The machine offers one fixed stitch option, which simplifies operation for beginners who want reliable straight seams without complexity. It arrives already threaded with a small fabric piece, reflecting factory testing and ready for a quick start. In practical tests, beginners noted smooth feeding on lightweight fabrics with consistent stitches and minimal fabric snagging during typical mending tasks. The included kit and extension table help stabilize projects, enabling more ambitious alterations and small-scale repairs without needing a full-size machine. Compared to a standard entry-level machine, the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine prioritizes portability and simplicity over broader stitch options. The pros include affordable price, easy threading, and compact design that travels well and suits small homes every day. On the downside, the machine lacks a backstitch function and its stitching options remain limited to a single fixed pattern. At number 3, we have the StitchMaster Pro Ballet. From the first glance, the double needle concept signals a beginner-friendly path toward clean parallel stitches and enhanced seam durability. The machine body feels robust with a smooth shell and compact footprint, ideal for a home sewing space. Ergonomic controls and a 2-speed switch provide intuitive operation for beginners while retaining flexibility for more advanced tasks. The tension control lets you adjust thread tension from 1 to 9, enabling precise balance between stitches and fabric. Performance in everyday tasks feels stable when stitching light to medium weight fabrics, and the dual line effect remains visibly crisp. The machine demonstrates reliable backstitching and consistent feed, which reassures beginners during hems, repairs, and simple creative projects. With 16 stitch types, users can explore decorative options or practical buttonholes depending on project needs. In a denim patch test, it managed up to 6 layers while keeping neat top stitching and even seam alignment. The ability to handle double needle and double thread expands options for reinforcing seams and creating parallel decorative lines. The pedal design lets beginners choose between two speeds, providing controlled acceleration to prevent fabric puckering during learning. Compact footprint fits on a small table and leaves space for a beginner's project bag. The machine includes backstitching and a flexible tension adjustment, which helps stabilize seams on stubborn fabrics. Compared with a basic single-needle entry-level model, it offers more stitching variety and a stronger double-line effect. The pros include easy double-needle setup, versatile stitch options, and a compact footprint that suits small spaces. The cons include a higher price point and a steeper learning curve for mastering tension control. At number 2, we have the LoMoTive sewing machine for beginners. This beginner-friendly device features a compact, lightweight body with intuitive controls and a clear threading guide for effortless setup. While the exterior is plastic, the construction feels sturdy enough for daily learning tasks and occasional repairs at home. Dual power support expands where and how you sew, letting you plug in an AC adapter or run on battery for portable sessions. Two-speed options give beginners better control and allow steadier stitching on delicate fabrics or quick project passes. The machine weighs remarkably little and ships with a slim profile that fits neatly on small desks or shelves. Its compact form also makes it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or pop-up sewing sessions on the go. In everyday use, the lightweight chassis translates to easy transport and simple storage without sacrificing functional ideas at home. Compared to the standard entry-level Singer Start, the LoMoTive is noticeably more beginner-friendly and easier to thread. The pros include easy threading guide, lightweight design, and dual power flexibility, delivering a smoother learning curve and faster everyday sewing results. The cons include limited stitch options that feel insufficient for complex projects and no automatic needle threader either now. In testing, the low speed was ideal for beginner practice, and the high speed still offered steady results on simple projects. In real-world use, dual power flexibility enabled portable sewing without being tethered to an outlet, making repairs on the go effortless. Compact footprint and low price point offer great value for beginners who want to learn without heavy financial commitment. The marketplace data shows moderate satisfaction at around 3.7 stars and strong month-over-month purchase activity. Overall verdict emphasizes accessibility, practicality, and value, especially for beginners seeking a friendly starter machine for home decor and repairs. At number 1, we have the Janome Couture. Aimed at beginners, this machine presents a forgiving learning curve, guiding newcomers toward confident stitching with minimal frustration. Designed for hobbyists, students, and family sewists, it emphasizes approachable controls, quiet operation, and dependable results on everyday fabric. The chassis feels solid, and the interior metal frame promises long-term stability during heavy projects and frequent routine repairs. A well-engineered front-loading bobbin system simplifies thread changes, reducing tangling and setup time for busy sewists. Its compact footprint fits atop small desks and tables, while a removable free arm enhances sleeve and cuff work with elegance. Tutorial videos, built-in bobbin diagram, and a quick start guide provide immediate confidence, reducing guesswork for new sewists. 15 built-in stitches cover essential seams, while a front-loading bobbin system streamlines thread changes and reduces misfeeds during projects. The 4-step buttonhole system ensures uniform openings, helping beginners achieve professional-looking buttonholes with consistent size and placement. A removable free arm simplifies sewing around cuffs, sleeves, and hems, expanding versatility for garment construction and home decor. A removable free arm, paired with a darning plate and reverse lever, expands garment sewing options and makes edge finishing easier. During real-world testing, the unit exhibited steady stitch quality on medium-weight fabrics with minimal noise and vibration. Setup was fast for beginners, with the quick start guide and videos accelerating the learning curve and enabling immediate projects. Compared with a popular entry-level Brother model, the Janome Couture offers a sturdier frame and more beginner-friendly controls. The pros include beginner-friendly interface, sturdy interior metal frame, and comprehensive accessory kit. The cons include limited stitch variety for advanced projects and a basic feature set that may frustrate power users.